So question 2, we are looking at Chinese Postman. So same network. Chinese Postman has kind of a set of stages. The first thing we need to identify is the odd nodes. So odd nodes are things that have an odd number of things coming out of them. So in this case, what we are looking at is that's got 2, that's got 3, that's got 3, that's got 3, and that's got 3. If this is a really low mark question, you might have 2 odd nodes. Otherwise, you're going to have 4 odd nodes. They won't give you 6 odd nodes because it would take too long to do. So the odd nodes we are going to have are CO, BV, SN, and PE. We now need to think about pairing these up. So our pairs, if we take PE first, and we go PE and SN. So if we've got PE and SN, then we've got these 2 left over. So we have BV and CO left over. If we paired up PE with BV, we end up with PE, BV, and the ones we've got left over then are SN and CO. And then lastly, if we pair up PE with CO, then what we've got left over is SN and BV. If you've got 4 odd nodes, there will be 3 pairs. So we now need to find out how far these are. So PE to SN, you've got on your diagram is going to be 18, and then BV to CO is 11, so that's going to give us 29. Then we've got PE to BV, so we could either do it with 12 and 11, or we could do it with 18 and 8. 12 and 11 is shorter, so we'll take that. And then we've got SN to CO. It doesn't matter that it goes through BV, not a problem. You just got it. So we've got 23 and 19, which should be 42. And then lastly, we've got PE to CO. Now, very conveniently, we did this in part 1, and that is 34. And then we've got SN to BV, which is 8. And that again is 42. So we need to identify our smallest, which is this one. So that's our shortest. So Chinese Postman problem. So Chinese Postman problem is the total plus the shortest. So there are 2 options. Either somewhere round your diagram it will have the total time taken for all is this, or they'll give you a mark for adding it up. So our total, if we add all of that up together, I make it 146, plus our shortest pair at 29. So that should give us an answer of 175 minutes. We've then got our second option for part B. So part B is basically telling us that we have a start point and we have a finish point. So we start at the office, which is CO. we finish at home, which is PE. And if we look at our odd nodes, the only ones that we've got left are SN and BV. Now SN and BV, if you look at your pairings from up here, is this one, which is 8. So in this case, with a different start and finish point, our Chinese Postman problem, we still have our total, but this time our repeat is only 8, and so we come in at 154 minutes. So what we're doing effectively by having a different start and finish is saving 21 minutes. Other questions may ask you for a minimum given a certain start point, or may give you free rein as to which your start and finish are. Realistically, you want the smallest repeat that you can. In this case, it happened to be 8 anyway. But if they'd told you you were starting at SN, then you'd have to look at which ones didn't include SN and then look for the minimum there.